Solved problems. Journal entries. Problem. You are financial clerk of Shukuma Enterprise. One of your duties is to record all the monthly financial transactions of the firm. Record the following transactions that was made in the month of November 2022. Therefore, the owner invested the sum of 40,000 into the business. Issue received 010. Day 2. Paid the month's rent by check 3,500. Day 2. Received rent from tenant from the bakery for 1,650.67. Receipt issued 17. Day 2. Inventory was sold for cash 13,500. Receipt issued 12. Day 5. Paid insurance by check for rupees 1,500. Day 7. Paid wages by check 2,200. Day 9. Borrowed 200,000 from the bank and deposited the check. Receipt issue 013. Day 15. Bought inventory on credit from Moveselilo Incorporation 2,500. Day 18. Bought equipment from Comfort Zone by check for the amount of 10,000. Day 22. Issued a check to Moveselilo Inc. for in full settlement of account after deducting 15%. Shukuma Enterprises Journal. Date particulars. Debit credit. Day 1. The owner invested the sum of 40,000 into the business. Issued receipt 10. Day 1. Cash debit 40,000. Capital credit 40,000. Being the investment by owner into business. Day 2. Paid the month's rent by check 3,500. Day 2. Rent expense debit 3,500 to cash 3,500 credit, being the rent paid for the month. Day 2. Received rent from tenant from the bakery for 1,650.67. Receipt issued 017. Day 2. Cash 1,650.67 debit. Rent income credit 1,650.67 being the rent income received. Day 2. Inventory was sold for cash 13,500. Issued receipt 012. Day 2. Cash debit 13,500. Sales credit 13,500. Being the sale of inventory for cash. Day 5. Paid insurance by check for 1,500. Insurance expenses debit 1,500. Cash credit 1,500 being the insurance premium paid. Day 7. Paid wages by check 2,200. Day 7. Wages debit 2,200. Cash credit 2,200 being the wages paid. Day 9. Borrowed 200,000 from bank and deposited the check. Issued 013. Bank debit 200,000. Loan from the bank credit 200,000 being the loan amount deposited into the bank. Day 15. Bought inventory on credit from Moveselilo Incorporation for 2,500. Inventory debit 2,500. Accounts payable credit 2,500 being the inventory bought on credit from Moveselilo Inc. Day 18. Bought equipment from Comfort Zone by check of the amount 10,000. Equipment debit 10,000. Bank credit 10,000 being the equipment bought on cash. Day 22. Issued a check to Moveselilo Incorporation in full settlement of account after deducting 15%. Accounts payable debit 2,500. Discount received 375. Bank 2,125 being the amount paid under discount 15% received.
Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.